The Grand Cherokee SRT 8 features a super tough Quadra-Trac SRT four-wheel drive system that provides extreme on-road performance. A new, easy-to-use Select-Track controller gives you the freedom to choose from 5 dynamic modes for specific driving conditions: Auto, Snow, Tow, Sport, and Track. Each mode is custom-tailored for optimum performance and confidence in any street and track environment. Auto mode provides the most compliant ride and automatically adapts to any road situation using the adaptive suspension tuning. Snow mode is ideal for winter weather conditions. This setting provides the most conservative dynamic mode to help the vehicle safely stay in line. It also features a second gear start for less slippage on the slippery stuff. Tow mode engages special software that helps reduce pitch and bounce for enhanced towing capability, a potential problem on buckled or bumpy roads. When properly equipped, Grand Cherokee SRT 8 tows up to 5,000 pounds. Sport mode provides enhanced body control for a sporty, fun-to-drive ride on the street. Track mode delivers the ultimate handling experience. It provides a high-performance, firm, track-tuned suspension option that locks down body motion.